Step into minimalistic student living paired with elegant luxury at the Avenue at East Falls in Philadelphia. Choose from an array of comfortable non-en-suites, one-bedroom apartments, and cozy studios, and unlock a furnished space that you can make your own. Whip up deliciousness in the luxurious kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and modern kitchenware. Breeze through chores with laundry facilities and maintenance on-site. Experience royalty with the concierge available to assist you. Head to the clubhouse for some downtime with friends or take a stroll in the courtyard. Get your workout in at the fitness center or swim some laps in the pool. Focus in the study lounge, thoughtfully designed for academic success. Located on Wissahickon Avenue, you are just a stroll from the University of Philadelphia, while Salle University is only a short drive away. Also, explore the entire city from Queen Lane train station, just a couple of minutes away. So, secure your spot at the Avenue at East Falls in Philadelphia through amberstudent.com today.